Welcome to Car Vibes, where today we dive into the stunning new 2025 Pontiac Firebird Esprit 468 V8. This beast is a modern reimagination of the classic muscle car, blending aggressive retro styling with cutting-edge performance. Pontiac may have been gone for years, but with the revival of this Firebird, it's clear that American muscle is alive and well. At first glance, the 2025 Firebird Esprit commands attention with its bold design. Inspired by the classic second-generation Firebird, the new model features a sculpted hood with aggressive air intakes, a signature split grille, and modernized quad headlights with LED technology. The iconic Firebird emblem sits proudly on the front, reminding us of the golden era of muscle cars. The wide-body stance, flared wheel arches, and 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires give it a dominant presence on the road. The rear is just as striking, with a ducktail spoiler, sleek LED taillights, and dual exhaust tips that hint at the raw power within. Under the hood, the 2025 Firebird Esprit packs a monstrous 7.7-liter 468 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering an estimated 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for the purists or an advanced 10-speed automatic for those who crave seamless power delivery. The Firebird Esprit rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest muscle cars in its class. The sound of the naturally aspirated V8 is pure music to any car enthusiast's ears, growling at low revs and roaring with authority at full throttle. Inside, the Firebird Esprit masterfully blends vintage charm with modern technology. The cockpit is driver-fakered, featuring premium leather and Alcantara seats with Firebird embroidery. The dashboard pays homage to classic Pontiac designs but is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system. Ambient lighting, carbon fiber accents, and a flat-bottom steering wheel complete the high-performance feel. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera ensure safety without compromising the thrill of driving. The chassis and suspension have been meticulously tuned to provide an exhilarating driving experience. A lightweight aluminum frame, adaptive dampers, and a performance-tuned suspension system give the Firebird Esprit sharp handling and excellent road grip. Whether carving through corners or cruising on the highway, this Pontiac delivers a ride that is both thrilling and refined. The Brembo braking system ensures that all that power is kept under control, providing confidence-inspiring stopping power when needed. Pontiac's return with the 2025 Firebird Esprit is a dream come true for muscle car lovers. This machine isn't just about nostalgia, it's about proving that American muscle can evolve while staying true to its roots. With its breathtaking design, monstrous V8 engine, and modern tech, the Firebird Esprit is ready to take on the competition and cement its place as an icon of the new era. If you're a fan of high-performance muscle cars with soul, this is one ride you won't want to miss. Stay tuned to Car Vibes for more thrilling car content and let us know in the comments, would you take the wheel of this modern Firebird legend?